Pigeons are remarkable birds known for their excellent homing abilities, which allow them to navigate long distances using the Earth's magnetic field and landmarks. They can recognize human faces and see ultraviolet light, giving them a broader color spectrum. Pigeons can fly up to 60 miles per hour and travel over 600 miles in a day. They are monogamous, mating for life, and both parents share the responsibility of feeding their chicks pigeon milk. Their intelligence is impressive, as they can recognize letters, solve tasks, and even participate in pigeon racing.